Hi, so it is indeed Friday again, and this week I'm here to chat with you about our featured ingredient, which is called Galeslime. So, as we age, we begin to lose some of the fabulous amounts of collagen that are contained within our skin. Our production starts to go down, and that results in skin that, of course, looks older, drier, fine lines and wrinkles, etc. We all kind of know what it means. So adding back ingredients that can help boost collagen are a fantastic approach to combat some of those signs of aging. And this week's featured ingredient, as I mentioned already, is Galeslime from our partner Gale and Cosm. And you can imagine probably what it is by the name, but it is actually snail mucin. And they have a very nice process where they treat the snails very, very well to get them to produce the snail mucin. If you treat the snails nicely, they will actually produce good amounts of the mucin. Now, the mucin you can apply to your skin to help moisturize, of course, but it also does help to boost collagen synthesis within the skin. And as you do that over time, you can rebuild some of that resilience that your skin used to have to try to combat some of these issues that we see as we age. So if you'd like to get some more information about Galeslime, or if you need some help formulating, please reach out to us. And otherwise, have yourselves a fantastic weekend. See you next week.